Fed Chair Jerome Powell is advocating for 2 additional rate hikes later this year. He's also come out and said that cryptocurrency has staying power and that he believes that stablecoins are as good as money, that they are money, and that also they have no plans for a CBDC from the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell is on fire this week, guys. Welcome back to the Block Hash podcast channel. We're going to talk about crypto. Make sure to check out our Patreon. We do chart analysis Monday through Friday. Check out PIKA Crypto, our sponsor. They are revolutionizing the intersection between blockchain and gaming. Also check out our sponsor, BENFT. They are revolutionizing the intersection of education using DeFi and artificial intelligence. All links are in the description below. All right, so what's going on? Jerome Powell, my man, he is coming out with some fire this week. So many things going on. The latest one today being, advocating for 2 additional interest rate hikes this year. Not saying he's going to raise rates, every fucking month of the year, but just 2 more later this year. He's really slowing down his mentality of wanting to do these. This has got to be bullish, guys, honestly. I'll read through this a little bit and I want to cover some other stuff he said. But the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, expressed during his testimony at the U.S. House Financial Services Committee's semi-annual monetary policy hearing that raising interest rates 2 more times this year would be appropriate. Powell also stated that policymakers expect interest rates to go higher to control price pressures and reduce U.S. growth. And the statement from Powell comes after the Fed decided to pause interest rate hikes this month. Additionally, the Fed has decided to maintain the interest rate at its current range of 5% to 5.25%. This decision by the Fed marks the first pause in the series of interest rate hikes initiated by the Federal Reserve in March 2022. Thank God that he's pausing. That's going to get factored in as we go into July here, I think, into the crypto market, which is nice, which aim to address the inflation rate in the United States. Powell says it makes sense to increase rates in coming months. Talking about the Fed's plans, Powell responded to lawmakers by saying that it may make sense to continue moving rates higher in the coming months, as he conveyed his understanding of inflation, stating that the Fed officials understand the hardship caused by high inflation. He also stated that they are strongly committed to bringing inflation back down to 2%, which I don't know if it's going to happen, but yeah. Powell also spoke about crypto and stablecoins. He stated that crypto appears to have staying power. We're going to talk about that, and mentioned stablecoins as a form of money. Just recently, the other day, he stated that crypto is here to stay. Powell also talked about the role of central banks and stablecoin regulation, development of eventual central bank digital currency, CBDCs. In his testimony, he stated that crypto appears to have the staying power of an asset class. Whoop, whoop, finally. Noting them as a viable form of money while also discussing the regulation of the asset by central banks. He stated, we do see payment stablecoins as a form of money, and in all advanced economies, the ultimate source of credibility in money is the central bank. We believe it would be appropriate to have quite a robust federal role. Additionally, he noted that the federal staff members who have participated in discussions regarding the regulation of digital assets, he conversely discussed the development of CBDCs, which had been a popular point of discussion following the arrival of the FedNow system, and Powell stated that we're a long way from this, which is great. They don't really have a direct plan to launch a CBDC. They're in favor of having stablecoins. They believe that crypto is an asset class. Dude, he is on fire this week. Jerry, my man, thank you. Some good came out of your mouth in the first half of this year. Like I thought we were going to go 6 months without you doing something good. All these fucking interest rate hikes. Still mad about that, Jerry. But I like what you're saying, and I hope the Fed takes a more friendly stance to crypto going forward. Hope other agencies take that seriously. Cough, cough, the SEC and Gary Gensler. And this is very interesting. This has been very encouraging for the market, as well as, BlackRock and other fund managers starting to really pile in and get involved. I think the bull market has just begun. I think the bear market technically ended at the end of December, beginning of January. That was the end of the bear market. But that didn't mean we were in a bull market. I think now, right now, we are starting the real bull market. You always have these lagging periods. It's not like everything has to go straight down and straight up. You know, things can go fucking sideways. And I think that's kind of what's been going on. Like, we bottomed out, we sat at the bottom, we had a couple small relief rallies, and now we have a chance, with the right players coming in and the right sentiment shifting in a week's time, which is crazy, that we're in a bull market now. Those are my thoughts. Comment your thoughts down below. Would love to hear it. Like the video. Share with a friend. Subscribe to the channel if you've already subscribed. Thank you so much. You guys are the fucking best. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. And stay safe out there. Cheers.